everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Point Coaching Classes. We are going to discuss today worksheet 20, subject science in class 10. Topic for today is your neutralization reaction. We have learned about this reaction in your previous worksheets. It is mentioned that you have studied that the aqueous or a water solution of an acid produce H plus ion, and aqueous or a water solution of the base produce OH minus ion. What happens when the acid and base react? In this worksheet, we are going to learn the reaction between acid and base. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn reaction between acid and base. And also we know that acid give you H plus ion as well as aqueous base solution gave you OH minus ion. Fine. So what happened when both of them react? So you can see when an acid and base react, they produce salt and a water. When acid and bases react, see, you can see clearly in this picture, this is acid and this is base. When the reaction have done, it's formed salt and water. This reaction is also known as a neutralization reaction. This reaction is a special name given, that is your neutralization reaction. Why this neutralization name is given? Because acid and base neutralize each other. In general neutralization reaction, we can write this. Neutralize each other means, I have discussed right now that acid contain OH, H plus ion, and base contain OH minus ions. So when both of them react together, they neutralize each other and the ions are removed. So that's why it is known as a neutralization reaction. Fine. So you can, general way you can write that base plus acid gives salt and water. Fine. So there is an example also given how to forming a common salt. Common salt which we used and the formula of common salt is NaCl and it is known as sodium chloride. So how it is formed? You can form it in the laboratory itself. Formation of sodium chloride common salt by reacting when you react hydrochloric acid to NaOH. It gives NaCl and H2. Means hydrochloric is a acid, NaOH, sodium hydroxide is a base, and you give salt which is known as a common salt and water. Clear? So this way you can form a common salt. So here some practice questions are given. Choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. The first one is that the reaction between acid and base is also known as, it's so easy, we have learned just now, it is known as a neutralization reaction. So now when an acid and base react, they produce, you have learned this now, when one base react, they produce salt and water. Fine. So the D option is correct. This one is that common salt is obtained when, how do you get the common salt? You get the common salt when one acid and base react each other, isn't it? So the C option is the correct one. Now in this question you can see that a paragraph is given. You have to read the paragraph and answer the following question. So the paragraph is that in science class teacher asked to prepare a common salt in a laboratory. लैबोरेटरी में बच्चों को लेकर जाते हैं और कॉमन सॉल्ट बनाने के लिए बोलते हैं टीचर गेव देम एसिड एंड बेस. टीचर उन्हें एक एसिड देते हैं और एक बेस देते हैं टू डू दिस प्रैक्टिकल. सम स्टूडेंट वर कंफ्यूज्ड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर कॉमन सॉल्ट इन द लेबोरेटरी. कैन यू हेल्प देम? जो बच्चे कंफ्यूज है, क्या उनको हेल्प कर सकते हो? डेफिनेटली. आपने तो अभी पढ़ा है हम कैसे बनाते हैं कॉमन सॉल्ट. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ दे कैन प्रिपेयर कॉमन सॉल्ट. हाउ दे कैन प्रिपेयर कॉमन सॉल्ट? येस, they can put acid and base, whatever they have given together, and they can prepare the common salt. So this was also explained. You can see in this diagram also. If there's in a beaker, it is applying a acid and base, and you can see that common salt is prepared. So this was the second question was asked. Write the chemical reaction for this. Definitely we can write the chemical reaction. First you should know which acid with base is produced. The question D is also there. Name the acid and base used in this practical. So the acid you are using is that your HCl. So when HCl is react with the base you are using, that is NaOH, then what you get? You get the NaCl, which is the common salt, and water, H2O. So what is the chemical reaction for this? This is the chemical reaction. Fine? Clear? Now, see, can this reaction be called neutralization? Definitely this reaction is called neutralization, because when acid and base react together, they become neutrals and they give us salt and water. Now here the last question is that you have to name the acid and base. You have already mentioned that the name of acid is hydrochloric acid. The name of acid is hydrochloric acid. HCl is the symbol, and the base is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, and the symbol for sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Clear? So it was all about this worksheet. Hope all of you have understood very easily that about a neutralization reaction. Thanks for watching.